What if I told you that earning $20,000 a month was more achievable than you think? And no, it doesn't require a degree, years of experience, or massive upfront investment. In this video, we're diving into 5 game-changing AI tools that can help you unlock this kind of earning potential, regardless of where you're starting from. These tools are revolutionizing how people work and make money online. Whether you're interested in content creation, task automation, or launching your own side hustle, AI is making it easier than ever to scale up. And the best part? Many of these tools are accessible at little to no cost, so you can get started right now. If you have ever dreamed of building a steady income stream online, this video is for you. Let's take a closer look at the tools that could help you hit that $20,000 month goal faster than you ever imagined. Welcome to Wealthwise Path, where we turn big dreams into actionable steps. If you're ready to take charge of your financial journey, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more valuable tips like this. Now, let's jump in. Supercharge your content creation process with AI tools. First up, let's talk about content creation, one of the most in-demand skills today. Imagine if you could generate high-quality blog posts, social media content, or even product descriptions with just a few clicks. That's exactly what AI writing tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can do for you. These tools are powerful because they allow you to create polished, engaging content without needing to be a writing pro. Say you want to write a blog post on top fitness tips for beginners. Just enter a prompt, and ChatGPT will generate an outline or even a full article for you. You can tweak the content as much as you like, add your personal touch, and you've got yourself a professional piece in minutes. Now, how do you monetize this? If you're a freelancer, you can offer content writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, creating blog posts, captions, and articles for businesses or individual clients. Writers on these platforms often make anywhere from $50 to $200 per post, depending on the length and topic. With AI handling most of the heavy lifting, you could easily take on more clients and boost your earnings. Or if you prefer a more passive approach, consider affiliate marketing. You can use AI to create blog posts that link to affiliate products. For example, writing a blog on best home workout equipment with links to Amazon products could earn you commission every time someone makes a purchase through your links. Just think about the earning potential if your blog post starts getting regular traffic. With AI writing tools, content creation becomes faster and easier, and the earning opportunities are almost limitless. Whether you're freelancing or building passive income streams, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can give you a serious head start. The best AI tools for creating graphics and videos. Next up, let's look at graphic and video creation. Tools like Canva and Pictory are making it easier than ever to create stunning visuals and videos, no design skills needed. Canva, for instance, is a favorite for creating eye-catching logos, social media posts, and even infographics, all with simple drag-and-drop features. With a library of customizable templates, Canva lets you create high-quality visuals that look professional and polished. Need a logo for a client? Or maybe you want to create branded Instagram posts for a small business? You can do all of this with Canva, and the results can be impressive. And if video content is more your thing, Pictory is an AI-powered tool that turns text into video. Let's say you have a blog post or article you'd like to turn into a video. Just paste your text, and Pictory will generate video scenes that match the content, complete with stock footage, animations, and even voiceover options. You can edit and customize the scenes to fit your style, making it a great tool for launching a YouTube channel or enhancing your video marketing. Now, how can you make money from this? First, there's freelancing. Offering design or video services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can bring in a steady income. Graphic designers on these platforms charge anywhere from $30 to $150 per project. And as a video creator, you could charge even more for producing short marketing videos or social media content. Another option is to launch a YouTube channel. With tools like Pictory, you can create high-quality, faceless videos that are perfect for YouTube. Once your channel grows and qualifies for monetization, you can start earning ad revenue based on views. Channels focused on educational content, tutorials, or product reviews often perform well, especially when paired with good video editing. Graphic and video creation with AI makes it possible to produce high-quality content quickly and affordably. Whether you're offering design services or building your own YouTube channel, these tools can help turn creativity into a profitable venture. Create professional voiceovers with AI tools. Now let's dive into voiceover and audio production. Creating high-quality voiceovers has traditionally required either recording equipment or hiring a voice actor. But with AI-powered text-to-speech tools like Murf.ai and 11 Labs, you can generate professional voiceovers instantly just by typing in your script. These tools give you access to a wide range of voices, accents, and even emotional tones to match the mood of your content. For example, if you're creating a calm, educational video, you can select a soothing voice. Or, if you're making an energetic podcast intro, you can pick a more upbeat, engaging tone. This flexibility makes tools like Murf and 11 Labs ideal for various projects, from YouTube videos and podcasts to audiobooks. Wondering how to monetize this? First, there's a big demand for voiceover services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You can offer to produce voiceovers for explainer videos, ads, or even educational content. Voiceover artists often charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and type of voiceover needed. And with AI handling the heavy lifting, you can deliver high-quality work quickly. If freelancing isn't your thing, you can also use these tools to create content for YouTube or even Spotify. Imagine creating a relaxing sleep podcast or a faceless YouTube channel that covers popular topics using AI-generated voiceovers for narration. Once your channel or podcast gains a following, you can start earning through ad revenue or sponsorships. With AI voiceover tools like Murf and 11 Labs, you can tap into audio production without the need for recording equipment or a quiet space. Whether you're selling voiceovers or building your own audio content, these tools open up a world of earning potential in audio production. And there you have it, powerful AI tools that can unlock new income streams, from freelance content creation and design services to building a profitable YouTube channel. The potential here is huge, and the best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. So go ahead, try these tools, and see how they can transform your workflow and help you reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.